So tell me something about what that means to broadcast your quote secrets. What does that mean exactly? And why is it important?
Well, the first thing you have to have is a secret, right? But come to find out that not all secrets are really all that secret. Usually it's just something that people know about, but nobody's talking about yet, right? So for what that was for us is the use of a series LLC. So the series LLC, been around for over 20 years, extremely strong structure, allows you to essentially create one entity, one bank account, one tax return, but you get to create LLCs on your desktop for free. And you can use them anywhere in the country. So I was like, holy smokes, there's nobody out there that's really picking this up and showing real estate investors how they can be using a series LLC. This is a quote unquote secret that people need to know about, right? Now, when you go into that realm of sharing something that's like that and you're new into it, you're going to find people that are going to try to shoot you down, right? And that's just part of the process of learning. You got to know your stuff inside and out, especially as an attorney. You can't be wrong, right, into it. You got to know it. So your secret's got to be bulletproof. And then the piece of it is you just start talking to people about all of the normal objections that you've heard of, and you address those directly and head on, and then you leave it to the audience to make the decision. I think that what's really important is that we have really fair conversations about things, right? So for the series LLC, for example, one of the major objections is like, well, there's no case law on it, right? So how do we know what's going to be true? And so that's a really good point. Like, how would you know that this is really safe? And the other side of the conversation of that is to talk about saying, well, what is the law? Well, the law is actually what gets passed by the legislature. How do cases get invented? Well, cases only come into existence because people challenge unclear laws. So if you have a clear law, there's nothing there to challenge. You're not going to find cases on this stuff, and it's already been around for 20 years, right? But through that conversation from both sides of it, and without having to get into with just like a pure analysis, right? And then trusting the audience to be able to digest that information and make an informed decision on it is a much healthier way of having a conversation, right? And when you can share the secrets and talk about it intelligently and help the audience process through why you would want to think a certain way through a problem, that's how you really win the trust.